Alright, so today we're going to go to the beach. We're packing up and I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm packing. I have all of our towels in here and then I have some toys. I have more toys in the car actually too. And then this is Teo's swim diaper, which is actually one of my oldest kids, like super old cloth diapers, so I just reused that. We have some snacks in here, one of these in case something happens. Yeah, so just extra snacks. And then in this bag here, I have all of our dry clothes, our change of clothes, our diapers, and some deodorant and a brush. This morning, my husband wants to go pick up some of these beach chairs, so we'll be taking those. So we got to drive to the beach, and it's going to be about a little under 2 hours, which isn't too bad considering how much we drove to get here. So it'll be a little bit of a drive, but it'll be fine. All right, so really quick before we leave, this is everything I'm bringing. Bringing my diaper bag. This is our change of clothes. We have a big umbrella here and then 2 smaller umbrellas for the kids in case they need that. This big bucket of toys I got super cheap at the store before we even came here. This is our food, our cold food bag. I got like sandwiches and yogurts and lots of waters in there. These are some toys and our dry snacks and our towels, the beach chair, and then we got a pop-up tent. So yeah, okay, we got a long drive ahead, so let's go. So we're at the beach. Yay! Right, Isaac? Mm-hmm. Isaac took a nap and he woke up and said, "Ocean, ocean, ocean."
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.
Taya doesn't have shoes. Yay, Taya! Try to take this out.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.
Isaac's. This one's Isaac's. I'm trying to take into this. What is this place called? Oh,
Crazy about mangonadas.
Yeah, Crazy About Mangonadas. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. Oh yeah, they got it on the cup. This looks see.
Not on the cup.
Oh. Got Mia some corn. And I got corn for myself and corn for my husband. Said he didn't want to share with me, so I had to buy my own. Then I got this. This is what I'm excited about here. I forgot what they called this.
Mango.
Oh, hold on. I forgot what they call this, but this has cucumbers and shrimp and some seasonings on top. Brought to Joy in the car.